Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reading our story from our shared reading, okay? And we're starting in Unit 10. And today we're going to read Dogs Help the Deaf, and that's page 14. So I would be turning the page to get to page 14. Okay. And the title of our story is Dogs Help the Deaf. Okay. And thumbs up if you have a pet. Okay, and thumbs up if your pet is a dog. Okay. But this is a special type of dog because its job is to help the deaf. And deaf means it's someone that cannot hear sound. Okay, so remember how we're learning about sound and light? Okay, so a deaf person is someone that cannot hear. So we're going to start our reading to listen for key details about the story. Okay, so let's go ahead and read together. Some sounds like a beeping car warn you to watch out. Some people may not hear those sounds because they are deaf. And remember, deaf means someone that cannot hear. A furry friend called a hearing dog can help them. Okay, so who helps someone that is deaf? Who may help them? Yes, it would be a hearing dog. So when a person doesn't hear sounds, they are deaf. And who could help a deaf person? A hearing dog. And right here, okay, you see the person, and next to him, we see the hearing dog. Okay, let's continue reading. The dog learns to turn and look at something it hears, like a horn or a siren. Then its owner turns to look too. The dog helps keep its owner safe. Okay, so how does the dog help the owner stay safe? Okay, because when they hear a horn or a siren, it turns and then its owner turns to look too. So that's the sign for the owner to know there's something there. Okay. At home, the dog lets a person know when the doorbell rings or the baby cries. Okay. So at home, how does the dog help? Okay. He lets the person know when someone is at the door, okay, that the doorbell rings, or if the baby is crying. Okay? So hearing dogs are helpful pals. Okay, thumbs up if you agree with the author that the hearing dog is very helpful. Very good. And remember, boys and girls, you can also go here and you can play.
Dogs help the deaf. Some sounds, like a beeping car, warn you to watch out. Some people may not hear those sounds because they are deaf. A furry friend called a hearing dog can help them. The dog learns to turn and look at something it hears, like a horn or a siren. Then its owner turns to look too. The dog helps keep its owner safe. At home, the dog lets a person know when the doorbell rings or the baby cries. Hearing dogs are helpful pals.
Okay. So remember, you could go here and you can listen to the story again. Okay. So now we're going to use our tools, okay, to highlight our wow, okay, to write which one was our wow, okay. Okay, and my wow is this one right here. A furry friend called a hearing dog can help. So this is where I would be writing my exclamation mark. Okay. And now I have a question. Okay. The dog learns to turn and look at something it hears, like a horn or a siren. Okay. But my question is, how do they know this is what they need to let their owner know? Okay. So I would be writing my question mark here because that's my question. How do they know? Okay. Now I would go to the bottom of the page and it says circle a word that begins with a silent k sound. And we know already that the pair for K, it's KN. Okay. So I have to circle a word that begins with the K sound. Do we have any Ks in line 1? No. Do we have any Ks in line 2? No. Remember, it's like you're reading it again. You go line by line. Do we have any Ks in line 3 there? No. Do we have any Ks in line 4? No. And remember, we're looking that it begins, okay, with the K sound. I mean, that it starts with a silent K, sorry, that it starts with a silent K. Do we have any Ks? Yes, but it's not silent. Look, it makes a sound. On the next line, like, but it makes a sound. On the next line, again, we have look, but it makes a sound. And remember, it's supposed to be silent. That means no sound. Right here, keep, but it makes a sound. Not in this line. Now we have no. Does the K make a sound right here? No. So this would be the word that I would circle. Okay, no, that's the word that starts with a silent K. Now it says, underline a word that means not all, but part of. Okay, so not all, but part of. Okay, and this was also from our last week's story. Okay, that means not all, but part of. Okay, and the clue is it's in the beginning and it's right here. Some. I had some pizza. Okay, now I will be putting my star on an important detail from the story. Okay. And my important key detail, I think it's this one. The dog helps keep its owner safe. So that's my important key detail. there. Okay. Now remember, boys and girls, in your writing journal, okay, you are going to copy the dog helps the deaf man blank. You're going to complete the sentence there. The dog helps the deaf man blank. Now my next sentence. At home, the dog helps the deaf man blank. Okay. So this sentence, sentence number 1 and sentence number 2, you're going to be writing it in your little writing journal and completing the blank. Then you're going to draw your nice, beautiful picture and color it. And you have the directions right here, remember, on the little piece of paper, okay? Number 1, read the story 3 times. Number 2, retell the key details to your partner. So if you have your mom, your dad, your brother or sister. Number 3, write your wow and your question. Number 4, complete the bottom of page 14. Number 5, complete the writing. Number 6, draw and color the picture. And number 7, send me the picture. Okay. So this is our shared reading story for today. Okay, so remember, boys and girls, to see the video from yesterday from the silent sounds. That way you practice it every day. And after you practice your video, then we're going to, then you practice your own blending. So on the top, you're going to write blending. Blending, and you're going to write G, N, and remember the G is silent. Then you're going to write W, R, and the W is silent. And then you're going to write K, N, and the K is silent. Okay. And then you're going to write the date. Okay, you're going to write the date. And then remember, you're going to write XX, line 1, XX, line 2, XX, line 3, okay, and then the first word that we are going to blend is sign, okay, and it has 4 letters, but remember we have our silent letter, okay, so it's sign, and how do we spell sign? S-I-N-G, okay. Our next word is gnat, okay, gnat, and how do we spell gnat? Remember, the G is silent, N, A, T, gnat. Our next word is gnome. Okay, gnome. Okay, our next word is gnome. And remember, G is silent. N, O, M, silent E also. Okay, gnome. Okay, now we're going to go to our next line number 2. The word is wren. Okay, and we have 4 letters and wren. And remember, one will be silent, wren. Okay. W, and then we have e, n, wren. Okay. Our next word is wrap, wrap. Okay, and again, the W is silent, remember? And we have a, wrap. Our next word is right, right, and it has 5 letters. Okay, but the W is silent. So we have I, t, right. Now we have our line number 3. Okay, line 3, word 1 is no, no. And remember, we're practicing our silent letters. So it's K, N, O, W. No. Okay. Then we have our next word, knit, knit. And remember, the K is silent. So it's N, it, knit. And then our last word is knee. It's again 4 letters, but remember, the K is silent. So we have N, E, knee. Okay. So let's read our blending words. We have line 1, sign, gnat, gnome. Line 2, wren, wrap, right. Line 3, no, knit, knee. Okay, so this is our blending for today. Remember to see yesterday's video so that you could practice the silent letters. Okay, so this is all for today.